Good morning. Good morning. My name is Shrikant. Today is 12th of June and Monday. So most of the time, Mondays are very difficult. Mondays and Fridays are most of the times very difficult to trade. Okay. So let's go for the market analysis for the today. Let's go on a screen. So last closing, it was completely flat on Bank Nifty side. Okay, where it opened, it closed almost there itself. So, not here. Previous day's low and last day high, or it was similar. So it was just 6 point movement closing wise. And Nifty was much down. So it was 71 points down. So this is how it is. So looking at this, it looks like both the index are in negative zone. Okay, so market is a very interesting stage. Now, if you look at here in 15 minute chart, this is Nifty chart. There is some trend line going from here. So and market is respecting this trend line. Okay, one, two, three. I think now this is at four zone. So this is still slightly far, but it's around 18,500 or something. Okay. So what will happen at this level? It may go for another wave, or it will, with small bounce, it will come down. Okay, this is what the price action says. So we have to trade accordingly. So I'm trading for the option selling on call writings of that side. So I'm not going to take any risk here. Okay, at this point. So uh, how it has to be? We trade first thing. We trade option selling. Okay, second point, we trade with time. So we need and time most of the time. Okay. So all the trades should be have sufficient time. So whenever we are shorting at support level, I took 2 weeks time. Okay. If I'm shorting at resistance level, I'm take 1 week time. So this is what my strategy is. Okay. So now currently market at this level. So if you look at these other market profile support area, if it breaks, it may go for the breaking this trend line also. It will try to break this trend line. It will break completely or not, but try. I think it will try to do it. Okay. So this is how it is. So now if in 1 day time frame, if you look at here, so there is a clear cut reversal. Okay, there are two red candles now. This is what I was expecting, this one, and we may get another third one also. So many times this happens. Look at here, one, two, and then next candles are one, two. So it's very fast. Even here also, one, two, next one it went down. Okay, and so it's it looks like here also one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. You cannot imagine that will not have because so now look at the top here. Here also one, two, some negative candles, one, two, three, one, two, three. So most of the negative candles. So this was the flow from 18,600 to around 16,400. It was very fast, very fast. So selling comes very fast. You'll not get much time to decide on everything. So you'll have to be in train in that case to grab that opportunity. So this is what I'm doing now. So I started taking some aggressive trades now with proper risk management. Okay. As of now, I was not taking any such trade, but now I'm taking slightly aggressive trade. So again, now let's go for the bank nifty. Okay. So here, so on Friday at this point, at this resistance, okay, it was rate of as about 45,000 P July. Okay, 1,084. I think let's go for the trade to look at this. So I bought it was 45,000 P. It was price of 1,085. Okay, and I booked it at uh, 11,800, around 100 points. Now you know that um, size of a lot will be 15 from July. So I took this trade and I booked around 100 points. Okay, it was just one lot. I'm I'm doing this with proper risk management. Okay, so this was high point, and from here I tell all this and I booked it somewhere. Okay, when it came here. So now market is just very support zone. Okay, so it has to break or it has to bounce. So we don't know what it'll do. So proper risk management. If it is going below it, you can sell. Uh, uh, I think I prefer to sell either of these, but in Nifty you can sell this zone. Okay, 18,550 zone you can sell. Uh, as soon as it possible. You should have the time, because if it bounce back, then you'll have to wait. So it's like it can bounce back here slightly and it will come down. So it should not be, if this is expiry, it will bounce, you will be in loss. So take some time. Okay. That should be our strategy. Nothing else we can say. So market is in a range. So, and price action wise, I'll tell you. Okay, those who are buying, this is still a bullish. Okay, there is nothing that it is told that it is happen that this will be a shorting opportunity. Okay, so this is like reversal only. See, it has not actually break this low of this way. So 18,450 or something. So it's still in bullish zone. So it may open gap up and it will try to go up. Okay, so you'll have to be prepared. So only so sellers also, if it is hitting the resistance, then and then we can sell. You cannot sell any blind levels now. Okay, otherwise you'll get trapped. You'll have to remember this one. So buy some time and sell. This is what I've said. I will say here. Now that's about charts. Okay. Now let's go to global market. What's happening there? Okay, global market futures. Let me open global indexes also. Yeah, yeah. So Australia flat. There's nothing. Belgium slightly negative. Brazil much more. Closing was it was on Friday, but the closing was very positive. Uh, Canada negative. China flat. Uh, Egypt was positive, Finland was positive, but it was equal to flat only. So if it is 1% plus, we consider it as positive. Okay. Uh, France flat, completely flat. Germany flat. Uh, Hungary flat. India was flat to negative. Japan. So it's today's one. It's slightly positive. Okay, so this is showing some positive moment. Uh, okay, Malaysia flat. Netherlands slightly negative. New Zealand negative. This is today's one. This is negative. So mixed emotions in market. So Pakistan, ignore Pakistan. Russia flat. Uh, Singapore also flat. South Korea flat. Taiwan slightly negative. Sorry, positive. So we'll have to consider these emotions also. If it is positive, we'll have to be very careful in this case. Hmm. Yeah. So UK is also negative. US slight. It's flat only. Closing was flat. Yeah. Zimbabwe. We don't have to really care about it. Okay. So closing wise, most of the indices saying it's flat. Only if you are saying it's a positive, negative. Japan is saying positive. New Zealand is saying it's negative. So otherwise, most of the global market are flat. And even here in futures, what's happening? So it is showing slightly a positive movement, flat positive. It will not be bigger positive movement. It's showing some flat positive movement. So maybe we'll get some bounce and then we'll have to sell or something. This is how it is. So That's it. So let's look at the option chain. I'll tell you what I understood. So call writing is much bigger than this one. Okay. So they will not lose exit from the position until there is something strong. So currently, I don't see anything strong. So there will be a selling pressure. So every bounce will be a sell in this case. Even if you look at here, we have in the money call writing here. Okay, if you will not see here, but here you'll see the in the money call writing. Okay, they are expecting 18,400 level. In this case, this is what it means. Okay, here also we have in the money. So that's it. So it is showing you pressure from selling side. So every bounce looks like it will be a selling. So if even here also 10 lakh, 15 lakh. So you are in the money there are. So might be 44,000 can become a resistance now. Okay. So that's also a round figure. So we'll have to wait. But if when only if the people here who sorted here exit then and then you'll get a very straightforward momentum. But I don't think so that's possible. Okay. So that's how it is. This is my analysis for the day. So trade according to your risk. Risk is first, then position sizing, then risk to reward. Okay, these are the three things you'll have to maintain. Otherwise, you can go for any strategies. Okay, any strategies, you'll have to maintain this one. Otherwise, there is no success. So, best of luck for your trade. Thank you.